brothers and sisters and friends in humanity, if you want contentment in this life and eternal bliss in the life to come, then say and internalize the following. La ilaha illallah Muhammadan Rasulullah. There is no deity worthy of worship except Allah, and Muhammad is His messenger, is His final messenger. We know Allah is worthy of worship by virtue of who He is. When you study His word, study the Quran, you realize the maximally perfect nature of His names and attributes, and Allah is worthy of extensive praise and ultimate gratitude because of His names and attributes. And praise and gratitude are a form of worship. When you study the life of the Prophet ﷺ, you will come to the conclusion that he wasn't lying or deluded. It's not based on a legend, but rather he was speaking the truth. And if he's speaking the truth, then he is the final messenger, should be followed with regards to our way of life. Study these two things and inshallah, eternal bliss.